Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Sade Boo. I am in Jamaica. I'm about to go and get my feet and my nails done, and I'm taking you guys with me. So let's get started.
That one, yeah, That's out of the China people in America. When they come here, say you get quality service. Hola, bro. Container Plaza. Yeah, I miss it. It's right in the center.
You soon be smiling. The top.
Yo, tell them to come get ours.
Get all your vibes up, all your vibes up, all your rules up. I wanna take a little
It's so nice. Why are you looking at me up and down? Yeah, but say something nice. He can't because he's too rude. Oh, be still, boo. That's pretty, like mine, right? Twinning. Thank you, husband. Greg said he's gonna leave and hide from us. This is Miss Courtney's prices. Today's menu: fried chicken, curry chicken, Barbie fried chicken, stew chicken, cow foot and bean, turkey neck and bean, curry goat, plain rice, pasta, cucumber. What you getting?
Chicken.
Chicken. Stop. Yeah, let me see.
Let me hold it.
You record me?
Look at my nails. Wait. Get together. Okay, whatever. You recording? Yes, what do you think?
What's the name of it?
Mom!
Clean stamp.
Open it up.
Go ahead, boo-boo. Move over, move over. Slide your butt over.
Yo, them youth just come like, them come to mash up the plaza. I chain them bus, you know? Yeah, one chain did it, so. Our man a come in. Like, I bust the chain. Lift the jelly water, man. Next tomorrow, me jelly water. That's how we do, man. We're not go tomorrow again.
So we are back here again. Y'all see my little section over here where I got my little, yeah, you know, my little jewelries and stuff like that. Okay, so we are back home now. I went to go do my nails and my feet today, as you guys saw. This is my nails. I got like all this glitter stuff. And if you know island people, they love bling and glitter and glam and all of that stuff. I'm very simple Sally now. I used to love all of that and the bright colors and stuff. But my girl, she hooked me up. She hooked me up. I told her to do her thing and she did her thing, as y'all could see. See that? And I just kept my toes regular. It was an experience because it's not what I'm used to, but I loved it because it was so authentic and it was so real and it was so like in real time. Like, this is the hustle. Like, this is the hustle and bustle. And Jackie, she was really, really nice. And y'all, I went in there and I was like, oh, you know, I think I want a gel manicure, maybe a French manicure. She was like, no, man. No, that girl had other things in store for me. So, you know, they have their way of doing things. And I just loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. Like, I just loved it. I just enjoyed it. Like, I can't complain. I love Jamaica. I love the people. I love the food. I love the air quality. I love the beaches. I love everything about it. And yeah, so today was an experience and I loved it a lot. So Royalty ended up also getting her feet and nails done, but she just came to me not too long ago saying that the nail polish is like, it's itching. Like, her fingers are itching a little bit. So I took as much as I could take off. She was already taking it off anyway, but it's probably the nail polish brand that they were using that wasn't didn't sit well with her. So yeah, took that off. I guess I'm gonna get some nail polish remover tomorrow to take the rest off. Jackie is the one to go to if you are in Old Harbor in Jamaica. Go see Jackie. I'm gonna put the plaza where she works at down below here because I can't remember it off the top of my head. But yeah, so that's what you can see. Check her at. And also Miss Pauline. It's a little restaurant that's like right across from Miss Jackie. And also there also is a bar. Well, Miss Pauline, her food is really, really good. I tasted the brown stew chicken, I tasted the curry goat, and I tasted her fried chicken, and it's really, really good. And there's also a bar. I'm gonna also have that down right here because I'm gonna ask Greg and I'll put it in. Yeah, so the bar is really nice. It's AC, it's comfortable, music playing, good music. So yeah. So the person who runs that bar, his name is Siobhan. So big up yourself, Siobhan, because the music was top tier. Anywhere I go and I hear Massacre, listen, that's a place I want to be, okay? So today I ended up getting some new food also from Intrusion. This place called Infusion, Infusion. I got oxtail rice and peas for dinner again today. And it was good. It was spicy because I was like, but it was good. It didn't stop me from eating, obviously. So it was good. And yeah, so today was just like a little vibe, like chilling in the plaza. It was cool though. It was cool. If you have children, then you understand. And I said this in my last video. If your children are not used to, how you say it, like exploring certain ways within like a community, nature, just certain things. And remember, my kids are city kids. We don't come from the suburbs. We come from the city of New York. Okay? Hustle and bustle, fast pace, everything. The point of the matter of what I'm trying to say is, because I just need to get straight to the point. The point is, if you have children and you want to go on vacation, go to a resort. The resort gives these children exactly what it is that they want. And technically, I'm supposed to be well relaxed. And today, I just felt like I had to do a lot, especially this morning. It was to the top. So I'm not going to say that I will never go on vacation with my children ever again. But if I do, we definitely will be on a resort. Other than that, I'm enjoying myself. And I look forward to the days ahead. I cannot wait to go to the beach. That I'm really looking forward to, and Elsher, and just be able to relax, eat some fish, you know. And of course, I'm taking y'all with me. So relax, calm down. We ain't get to the good stuff yet. Relax. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I'm trying to get as much as possible. I'm also trying to be mindful and respectful of the people. And if you know island people, they're very, very, very overprotective of their grounds, their space, their community, their people. So I'm trying my best to also be respectful. And if somebody doesn't want to be on camera, you know, not showing them or not recording a certain place and stuff like that. So it's no big deal. Also, we wasn't able to get fruit today, but tomorrow we're definitely gonna get some fruit. I want to get some mangoes. I want to get some coconut. I want to get some jelly. I want everything. Give me everything. Everything. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're in Jamaica and you're watching this, please subscribe. Some places to go to. I'm in Old Harbor. Yeah. Even we might could link up. I don't know. Like, let me know. So I will be paying mind to my comments and checking in. To the next video. Love y'all.